Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Srilata. In this video, we are going to cover a few models on time, speed, distance. Walking 5/4 of the usual speed, a man reaches 10 minutes before. The usual time taken by him to cover the distance is, let us take the initial speed of the man is s kilometer per hour and the initial time taken by him is 3 minutes. Then coming to the new speed of the man, new speed is equals to 5/4 of the usual speed, which is equals to 5 by 4 times that of s. And the new time taken is equals to original time minus 10 minutes. So here, anyhow, the distance is constant in both the cases. D1 is equals to D2. In the first case, distance is equals to speed into time. And in the second case, distance is equals to speed, new speed, that is 5/4 of usual speed. And new time is t minus 10. Therefore, in both the sides, SS gets cancelled. 4t equals to 5t minus 50. Therefore, t is equals to 50 minutes. The initial time, the original time taken by him is equals to 50 minutes. Let us move on to the next model. A train can travel 20% faster than a car. Both start from point A at the same time, reach point B 75 km away from point A at the same time. On the way, however, the train lasts about 12.5 minutes. While stopping at the stations, find the speed of the car. Assume the speed of the car is s kilometer per hour. Speed of the car, let us assume s kilometer per hour. Then the speed of the train will be, since it is 20% faster than a car, that is 120% of s, which is equals to 120 by 100 of s, which is equals to 6 by 5 times that of s. And the distance between the 2 points from the given data is equals to 75 kilometer. And the time taken, the difference between the time taken by the car and the train is 12.5 minutes. Let us take the time taken by the car is TC and time taken by the train is TTR. This difference is equals to 12.5 minutes, which is equals to 12.5 by 60 hours. What is the time taken by the car? Of course, the basic relation between the speed, time, distance is equals to distance upon speed. Here, the distance between 2 points is equals to 75 upon speed of the car is s minus distance between them is 75. Speed of the train is 6 by 5 s, which is equals to 12.5 by 60. If I will take 75 by s as common, then this will be 1 minus 1 by 6 by 5, that will be 5 by 6 is equals to 12.5 by 60. Therefore, this is 75 by s into 1 by 6 is equals to 12.5 by s. 12.5 by 60 will go 10 times. Therefore, s is equals to 75 into 10 upon 12.5. 12.5 will go 6 times. So 60 km per hour will be the speed of the car. Let us see few more models of questions on time, speed, distance in the next video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting notification for my coming videos.